Hey guys, my name's Quentin. We're in my friend's garage, and you may know the familiar video that I recorded last time. I think it was 7 years ago, back in 2018. They used to have like a Liftmaster AC belt drive. They unfortunately don't have this anymore because I thought it was like going to be broken, but they had to take the whole unit down and put they had to put the new springs right there. I don't know why they replaced the unit even though if the springs are broken. I do have the remote, and I'll do the outside viewing in a little bit. I'm gonna actually use the wall button to operate the garage door opener first, and then I'll do the outside viewing. The outside viewing is going to be really, really fancy. Alright, let's go ahead and open the garage door, and here we go. It's very quiet. It's not really loud. Alright, now let's go ahead and do the outside viewing of the garage door. And here we go. I do have the remote for this. Now let's go ahead and open this back up. Pretty quiet, isn't it? Yeah, it is pretty quiet. Now let's go ahead and do the closing with the wall button, and here we go. I can hear the motor sound. Alright. Now let's go ahead and operate the garage door opener one more time, and here we go. Sorry, it's just one of my friends coming in the garage. Okay, now let's do one final close, and then that will be it. I can see the manufacture date from right there. It's actually manufactured of November 17th of 2022. It's actually 2.5 years old. Alright. Hope you enjoy this video of this Liftmaster garage door opener. I know it's a DC motor, and it's also a chain drive. I'm going to turn this light off. Hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.